Hey fish friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at a giant cichlid tank. This thing is very large. I'll pan out and kind of get the idea of the scope of it. There's a ladder in front there, 3 feet deep, 4 feet tall. Lots of babies in here. They like the Coliseum here. Although they're not wearing their helmets, but let's see if we can find a few in the Roman Coliseum. That's a nice little protective zone. Of course, now that I'm filming, they're not there. You can see a bunch in the back there. They're really small. They're about a 1/2 inch, so not a lot of color when they're juvies. Anyway, how do I feed the babies? I will show you. I've been holding some flake food in my hand. I pulverize it, I crunch it up. Now, this is because the adults are going to want, like, fairly good sized pellets, 1.2 millimeters, brine shrimp, larger food, bigger mouth. So this is pretty small. I'm going to crawl up here and I can also show you I used the bulkhead for the feeding hole. I'm going to just drop that in there. And that's where this automatic feeder sits. It's an Eheim, the preferred automatic feeder. I fabricated this to hold it in position because they tend to squirm around. When they squirm around, you get all the food on the lid, none in the hole. So that's how that works. It was quick and easy. I was here on a rework and I just popped the bulkhead in there. Works out real nice because the bulkhead, you can see the bottom there, just conveniently, it's about a 1/2 inch off the water line. What that does in an overflow system is it holds the food so the fish have more of a chance to feed naturally. If you don't have that with surface extraction, a lot of the food just goes down the overflow box and then you're just polluting the system. The fish aren't eating properly and all of that. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.